On this video, I'm going to be breaking down to you the benefits of becoming a member on our program, as well as our credit monitoring tool to track everything that we'll be doing. First, if you're trying to get approved for a house or a car, this is the best thing to do when you have derogatory or negative items on your credit report, or you feel like one of these companies violated laws. So, the name of our company is called Debt Cleanse. That's our customer service number. But you want to reach out to me directly so I can give you a game plan to help you boost your credit if you're paying your rent, or you need a secure credit card, or you just need to improve your credit because you have credit problems. Now, I want you to think about something. It doesn't matter if you have foreclosures, credit card, medical bills, student loans, evictions, you name it, we can help you based off the stuff that's on your credit. Let me go up here so I can show you how debt cleanse work. So the first thing is we're going to do a detailed analysis on your credit report. And remember, we're going to be looking at your Equifax, your TransUnion, and your Experian. The second thing we're going to do is dispute them. Now, we're going to be disputing certain things that need to be disputed via phone with you, and we're also going to be disputing things via mail and doing validation letters, getting you on a do not call list, stop those harassing scam likely calls. You know what I'm talking about, right? And then number three, if we need to take these companies to court, if there's violations based off of them violating laws, just remember, because we work directly with attorneys and they'll be representing you, uh, this will be at no cost to you. That comes with the membership. Now, lastly, while you're on the program, we're gonna have you're gonna have access to monitor everything that we're doing. We're gonna have an ongoing process where you can log into a portal and just track everything. Matter of fact, let me see if I could get over to the portal now. Let me kind of log out. So this is our portal. Let me log in really quick just so you can see. So you have the same exact portal. What I love about it is that you can continue to refresh your credit report. Of course, this is a demo account, but you will exactly get a chance to see that we're going to be working on your TransUnion, your Equifax, and your Experian credit reports. Now, remember, if you've ever checked your credit on Credit Karma, it doesn't show you what's on your Experian. It just shows you what's on your Equifax and TransUnion. So you'll be able to track all that. Of course, there's a chat there. You have all this information for your debt analysis. This is pretty cool. One of the coolest features that I love, and I'm gonna get to it shortly. Also, it's gonna show you things that's affecting your credit, right? How many negative remarks that you have in your credit, if you have hard inquiries, things of that nature. There's also gonna be a credit score simulator just so you can kind of play around with it to kind of figure out where you want to be, what area credit score you want to get in, and what do you need to do to get to the next level. Now, I love this score site. This is pretty cool. So let's say, for instance, you want a credit score of 850, since that's the highest credit score, and then you hit submit. It would literally tell you different things that you could do to improve your credit. Let's wait for it to update. I love this tool, and I've never seen this anywhere else but what we have. So check this out: 55-point increase, 50-point increase. What could you do, right? Recommended actions. This is telling a person, look at the first one: apply for a secure credit card, and then basically make the purchases and purchase and then make the payments on time. But think about that. That's 55 points. So if you need a secure credit card, I can help you with that. If you need rent reporting, I can help you with that. Now, these are separate things that you have to invest in, but of course, if your goal is to get over 700 to 850, you have to do things to help you boost your credit score. And then look, it says get another secure credit card, right? That'll help you boost up 25 points. So there's different ways you can actually build your credit. Look, this talks about making a payment. So let's say, for instance, you have a specific account that's in good standings. Some count, some, or if not all of the accounts that you have, especially your credit cards, you can make big payments on them to bring down your debt on it to bring up your actual credit score. So again, it's so many different things that I love about our program, but I want you to know this management tool is going to really, really help you. Now, let's get to the cost. It's $149 down and then $89 a month, no contract, which is an amazing thing. Now, I want you to remember no recovery, no fee. So what does that mean? If we have to take one of these companies to court, right? And there's a award money awarded to you. Obviously the fee for the attorney will come out of that, but imagine you can, I'm not telling you to do this to make money, but you can also generate revenue from the violations from these companies that's violate the consumer protection law. But what if we have to go to court and there is no recovery, there is no fee, there's nothing that comes out of your pocket for you? So this is the reason why I love this program. A lot of people are paying $500 to $1,000 to improve their credit or for credit repair, and nothing happens. The fact that you're going to have attorneys, your letters will be mailed out for you. There are going to be simulators, identity protection, you name it. Your next step really is to get enrolled and then get started on the program. Of course, you can reach out to me. Everybody calls me Coach Kev. My name is Kevin Blake. You want to get on as a member, you're going to go to member and then hit sign up, and then you'll hit join now. And then, of course, you'll continue to go through the process. My phone number is here, area code 954-446-3120. Like I said, you saw this video either from my Instagram page, Facebook page, or YouTube channel. But the bottom line is you want to get enrolled right now. Take advantage of this discount. It would only be $134.90 now because you reached out to me. All right. So I'll speak to you soon, and I'll see you on the other side of having great credit.